windy day down here, but I'll go show you the rocks. There's an ocean underneath these mountains. Fresh spring water coming right out of the mountain. Top there, but straight from the source. There's an ocean under the mountain. Better be careful, there's rattlesnakes on this hill. Not even paying attention. Yeah, windy. All the power's out all the way down through here. Hey, I've seen those for sale online. Just taking a walk with y'all, showing you all the highway here. Big highways down there. Think I can push that off of there. The rock's taking a leak. Oh, look, more of the ocean. Oh. Want to do a big bear mural up there. Have it hanging down in a picnic basket. I get the paint. It's gonna look really neat. Yeah, it's been super windy today. Done broke one of the flagpoles up there. See that? That's an old trail marker. I cleared out the beginning of the trail, but it goes all the way back up the whole mountain. Old horse trail. There's the RV. If anybody wants to buy it, there you go. Blue sign now. Really windy day. That's always good for your paint. Oh yeah. Windy day in southeast Kentucky. I better get it out of here before one of these trees falls on me.